Okay, so apparently it was like a bug in the layout, but now it's look really awesome. I really love it. I'm talking about the batch selection. So now what we're going to work about, video file that I've uploaded is converted to an audio file. And same thing will happen to big audio files, okay? We always want to convert it to the smallest audio file possible. So let's go to some kind of LLM. Right now it will be Claude. And I will ask him, what is the smallest file size audio file format we can convert to any video or audio file that is uploaded? Okay, so I'm letting Claude to determine what will be the smallest file size. I don't want to do it in the chat mode because sometimes the chat mode is just lying to me and become lazy. So he's telling me it's actually MP3 with optimized settings. So, okay, let's tell him I want a Lovable.dev prompt that will ask the system to make sure we convert any uploaded video or audio using the same edge function that will convert it to this audio file format. Okay, so let's make our prompt. Okay, great, you finished. Let's copy everything, go to Lovable. I will paste that. I will go to chat only and let's see what he will saying. Okay, he made a plan. Let's see if he understood everything. Add new column to track audio processing. Don't know if we need all of that. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's see what will going on now. So basically, for example, if I'm going to upload this video, it should upload it to our bucket. It should do its thing. And then it should convert it to audio file. Success! Oh my god! We finally have an optimized MP3 file. What? Perfect. Okay, it's actually working. Now the next step is to take this optimized file and send it to our AI for analyzing. Okay, so let's write them. Perfect, it's working. Now we need to make sure the assigned optimized file, after it's generated and stored, gets sent to Whisper AI API for analyze. Then it should take for analyze. Then we should store the analyze as SRT subtitles file in our subtitles bucket. Okay. So basically, I want to really divide it to steps because I see he having hard time to understand multiple actions. So I want, okay, we got the optimized audio. Great. Take the file you created, send it to Whisper AI, make an SRT file and store it in the subtitles. Then we will take the subtitles file and use it for the text analyze. Okay, we might even change this bucket. Okay, great, you finished. Let's see if it's actually working. I will go here to preview. I will select media. I will select now a video that actually have talking in it. So this one. And basically we want to see if the subtitles bucket going to be populated. But a lot of stuff need to happen because it's also need to take it to the AI and stuff. Right, I think because I exit it stopped doing it. Okay, we're converting it. Now it should send it to Whisper. Yeah, I don't think we will see the rest of it anyway now. Let's see if it actually made a subtitles file. Oh my god, I see we created a subtitles file. Let's download it. Wow. Okay, the subtitles work. I see we have transcript file, which is supposed to be a text file. And it worked. And I think the moment of truth. Okay, I see it just went to the home page. Let's go to history. That's also a little bit messed up. I will open. And it works. It's actually working, you can see. It made the title based on the context. It made descriptions, hashtags, Instagram, everything. I see we can download the subtitles from here, but that's not a problem. Wow, okay, perfect. So in the next video, we are going to polish it to make it work. But right now, the basic fundamentals of our app is finally working, okay? Great, guys. I will meet you in the next video.